This dog runs through snow like it's born for it, because it is. Meet the Siberian Husky, the wolf-looking, blue-eyed escape artist. Originally bred by the Chukchi people in Siberia, Huskies pulled heavy sleds across icy landscapes, making them true working dogs. But they're more than muscle. Huskies talk a lot. Ever seen a dog argue back? That's a Husky for you. They're highly energetic, super social, and not fans of being alone. But warning, they're master escape artists. Don't trust those fences. Despite their wild look, they're total sweethearts. Would you handle a Husky's energy and howls? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for episode 5 of the world's biggest dog breed challenge.